Used kilowatt hour represents probably at least double the value of an unused kilowatt hour if you sell it back to the grid. And sometimes like at PSE&G, if you're paying 20 cents, they're only giving you 3. So you say, you know, if I pay, how much more did I?
A tiny discount off of your bill.
Right. They give you a retail rate. So it doesn't serve you to consistently overproduce annually because I oversize the system and I paid more for it than I really needed to. Steve?
I never like doing things twice. So I would be the type to say let's just buy a little more, but really it's not really worth it to do that.
Not just that, but the utility, depending on the utility, JCP&L is the most restrictive. They basically look at something called PV watts where they actually do the design and they forecast what the production is going to be, but they make that forecast based on no shade at all. So if you're in a house that has trees and stuff, you need to add a couple more panels to make up for the shade. JCP&L won't let you do that. So they're basically saying that's 100%, but in reality, maybe it's only 80%. PSE&G, AC Electric, they're a little more lenient. In Pennsylvania, they're much more lenient. Again, knowing that you don't want to spend more money than you have to, but if you have good reasons to do it, maybe it makes sense to do it now rather than later.